In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to get Brock Lesnar in WWE 2K25. So Brock Lesnar is not available on the Superstar roster. That's why we need to download him from the community creations. So for that, go to the right side and here go to the community creations. From here, under it select downloads, and from here we need to go to the Superstars option. From here, under it we'll be able to see bunch of superstars which are uploaded by community creators, and you can download any of the superstar you want. But in case you can't see Brock Lesnar here, then for that we just need to particularly search for his name. So for that, press the button which is shown below on your screen for search. So I need to press Y key on my Xbox controller. It might be different for your PS5 or your PC, so I need to press Y. Once you press it, make sure to select superstars from here, and now go to the downside and select hashtag, and under it we need to go to custom and now type Brock Lesnar just like this. Once you typed it, now select enter, and now the name has been written on my hashtag 1. Now all we need to do is go to down and now click on search just like this, and then it will show you all of the Brock Lesnars uploaded by community creators. You can download any Brock Lesnar from here. As you can see, if I want to select this one, then I need to tap on it, and after that it will show you the preview of the Brock Lesnar the community creator has uploaded. If you want to download it, then tap on the download button. But I am not happy with this Brock Lesnar, so that's why I am going back from here and I want to try different one. So suppose if I select this one, then again it will show you the preview of Brock Lesnar. So this one is looking good. I want to download it. For that, go to download and enter on your keyboard key or on your controller, and then the download will begin. Once you download the content, then go back to play mode and start your match. So I want to start a normal one-on-one match, and then select your superstar. So Brock Lesnar is in B, so I need to go to B here, and then you will be able to see Brock Lesnar once you download him from community creations, and you can play any match with Brock Lesnar you want. So this is the process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.